Initially thought na parang hindi magandang may utang ako or ang business ko?
Ang ano naman, this time, no? Kasi ngayon, that we matured na. Yung loan kasi, you should have, nakaprogram yon. Hindi yung uutang ka because, uutang ka pero wala ka palang cash flow.
Okay.
So, yun, iba yon, ibang issue yon. So, for you borrow for a business, because you know that you will be able to pay in a short period of time or in medium term, pay off mo yun. So, okay naman. Walang problema if, there's no problem with, borrowing as long as you are able to recover it from your business, mag-improve yung business mo, and then that same cash inflow from your business, you will be able to pay off all of your loans or your debts.
It's bridging a time gap kasi it's a future money naman eh.
Yes.
you're
That's
just
why you have to
accessing
have
it
that
now.
cash flow.
Okay.
Yun yung sinasabi ko na dapat may accountant ka or just learn about basic accounting. Lalo na pag ikaw yung owner of the business.